What's up, guys? Hillbilly back at it again. Got a little different video coming up for you guys today. We're gonna check out a toolbox, see what we got going on. Got a big Husky, I believe it's an 18 drawer toolbox loaded up in the back of the rig here. Gonna do a little unboxing, let you guys check it out. Problem is unloading it, so that's the task at hand. So when we get this unloaded, we'll let you guys check it out and we'll see what all's up with it. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, here we are right here in my shop. Let you guys take a look out here. This is what we got to organize to get the toolbox in. We got a lot of organizing we got to do out here. It is like a disaster in here. Been putting it off, and putting it off. This is my little, or mine and my dad's shop, I should say. A lot of these are his tools. A lot of stuff going on out here. My rifle stand for rifle. My drill press. Got a lot of stuff that's got to go. And as always, just a little reminder. Here's some of my axes here. There's some of my axes. There's an old, that's pre-World War II right there. Trench shovel. Anyways, I thought I'd just give y'all a look out here before we get to organizing this stuff. It's gonna take a couple of days. Just want to get a look at it a little before and after. Alright, we got it around here at the back of the house. Does the top come off of it?
Right in there somewhere.
We gotta get it out of the truck. We're gonna stick it on the back porch for right now. As you've seen, the garage is a nightmare. There's the wheels on it, big wheels. Cut it.
Huh?
Just cut it down the side.
I don't want to cut it if I don't have to. It's just wrapped around the top part of it.
I would just cut it. That's me.
Get it down below that. Then right here,
Gotta take the screws out.
that's
Brackets on it.
I'm gonna have to cut it up here. Sit down below it over there.
Yeah. Alright, what we gotta do is we gotta take these screws out of this so we can pull this top off here so it ain't so heavy. I'm assuming it sets down in a notch or something right here. Kinda locks down in there, I'm assuming. Not really sure. It may not, I don't know. This is a big toolbox, as you can see. 18 drawers.
This thing is very heavy.
Push up on it, see if it's on there.
Yeah.
It comes right off there. It's not. I figured it'd sit down in a notch or something to lock it in.
Might ought to take both of them. Take both of these off so it'll come off, slide off easier.
Alright, we got the top off.
You unlock that wheel. It's got 3 sets of casters instead of 2, like most toolboxes.
Alright, hang on just a second. Alright, let's just grab this.
Grab the handle. Well, yeah, handle right here. And grab this and let it roll off. That's a big major accomplishment. That's a major accomplishment.
There it is, off the truck. Got mats in it too, no?
Yeah.
Rubber mats.
$18 drawers. 52 inches wide. 64 inches tall.
We got it off the truck. Let y'all check out this big drawer right here on the top. Get out. Ball bearing rails on it.
Okay, let's try these over there.
I'd just go ahead and put them on. Put them back on there. That way we can just set the top on it.
Put the bottom.
I figured it set down in one of these holes. I figured it had a little notch where it set down in these holes to lock it in.
It may have.
I don't think it did.
Got it off. Major accomplishment. My loving wife.
Alright guys, we got the top on. Check this top out right here. Plug in here. USB ports. Little plug strip. It's come from Home Depot. Three-year limited lifetime warranty, or limited warranty. Check some of these cables out on it. There's a plug. I guess that goes to the strip. Drawers are smooth.
Turn it right there. It wouldn't hurt to leave it on there for right now. We gotta move it again and get the garage pumping up. Here, put this here. I said the same one without the USB ports and the outlets was the same price as this one.
And those were smaller.
Just a little bit.
Here's some specs on it here. Keys. Got a deep drawer back here for a tool bag or whatnot. That's about an 8-inch,
Skill saws,
7-inch deep right there.
skill saws and stuff like that on that big drawer. Is that keys? What is that? That's keys and here's keys.
Maybe two different ones for the top and bottom.
Yeah, one of them might be for that. It's got a. I thought it had a lock and drawer somewhere.
1,400 pound max load capacity. Alright guys, so I guess that's going to wrap this video up. Give you an update when we get it in the garage. I'll be signing out. Over and out of here.